Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Destiny 2 main campaign. To begin your epic journey, you'll first create your unique Guardian, selecting one of three distinct classes: the Mighty Titan, the Agile Hunter, or the Enigmatic Warlock. After character creation, you'll dive into the New Light questline, which serves as an excellent introduction to the game's core mechanics and foundational lore. Once you've completed these initial steps, you can easily access the main campaign missions directly from the Destinations tab within your director. As you progress through the campaign, you'll primarily follow clear quest markers displayed on your in-game map, guiding you to the next crucial story mission. Each mission will challenge you with engaging combat encounters against various enemy factions, intriguing environmental puzzles to solve, and important interactions with key characters who drive the narrative forward. Successfully completing these objectives is essential for advancing the overarching story and unlocking access to exciting new locations and activities within the game world. To effectively tackle the campaign's challenges, it's vital to continuously upgrade your Guardian's gear. Always equip items with a higher power level to boost your overall strength and resilience in combat. You'll acquire a steady stream of new weapons and armor pieces by successfully completing campaign missions, opening chests, and defeating powerful enemies throughout your journey. Prioritizing the increase of your power level is key, as it directly impacts your ability to overcome more difficult encounters and progress smoothly through the story. Once you've triumphantly completed the main campaign, your Destiny 2 adventure is far from over. It truly just begins. You can then delve into a vast array of exciting endgame activities, including cooperative strikes, challenging dungeons, and epic six-player raids that test your teamwork and skill. Additionally, engage with ongoing seasonal content, pursue powerful pinnacle gear to further enhance your Guardian, and continuously refine your abilities and unique loadouts for endless fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.